Have you ever felt a strange sense of unreality? A fleeting moment? A feeling that things are not quite what they seem? This sensation is not uncommon. It whispers of possibilities beyond our daily grasp. Could our world be an elaborate construction? A meticulously designed experience, like a dream, but shared by everyone? This question is ancient, yet it gains new meaning today. Our understanding of reality is always evolving. We once thought the Earth was flat. We believed the stars were fixed points of light. Science has shown us much more complexity. It reveals layers of existence we never imagined. Perhaps the ultimate layer is digital, a foundation made of information, of code. This is a startling thought. It challenges our deepest assumptions. Consider the nature of our experiences. They are processed by our brains. Our senses gather data. Our minds interpret this data. What if the data itself is generated, not by a physical world but by a system, a cosmic computer of immense power? We would be entities within its program. Think about the building blocks of life. DNA. It is often called the code of life. This is not just a metaphor. DNA carries instructions, complex information stored in a molecule. It dictates the form and function of organisms, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. This system is remarkably like computer code. The laws of physics also resemble algorithms. They are a set of rules, governing how everything interacts. Gravity pulls objects together. Light travels at a constant speed. These rules are precise. They are universal. They operate consistently everywhere we look, much like the core programming of a game, defining its boundaries and behaviors. If these fundamental aspects are like code, what does it imply? It suggests a designer, or at least a design process. Natural selection itself can be seen as an algorithm, a process that refines and optimizes, searching for solutions within a possibility space. The universe seems to follow mathematical principles. Imagine our universe as a vast software project, hosted on a cosmic version of GitHub. GitHub is a platform for developers. They store code, they track changes, they collaborate. Could our reality operate similarly? Every event, big or small, might be a new commit, a change logged in the system's history. The Big Bang could be the initial commit, the first lines of code for Project Universe, setting the stage for all that follows. The laws of physics would be the core code base, the fundamental programming. Constants of nature are the configuration settings, carefully chosen parameters. Evolution could be a learning algorithm, iterating and improving life's code. Major historical events like mass extinctions or the rise of human consciousness, these could be significant updates, or perhaps new feature branches being merged. This analogy helps us think about change. Section 4. The architects of our world. If our universe is a simulation, who created it? This is a central question. Several possibilities arise. Each one is fascinating to consider. One idea is that advanced alien civilizations are the programmers, beings far beyond our technological level. They might run simulations for research, or for entertainment, or for reasons we cannot comprehend. Their motives would be a mystery. Another possibility points to future humans. Our descendants might become incredibly powerful. They could create ancestor simulations to study their past, to understand how their society emerged. We could be living in one such historical simulation, a digital recreation of a bygone era. This idea has a strange recursive quality. Simulations within simulations, a potentially infinite regress. Artificial intelligence is another candidate, a super-intelligent AI from the future, or from another dimension. It might create universes as a form of art, or as a way to explore all possible realities. Section 5. Glitches, updates, and our perception. If we live in a simulation, might there be errors? Code is rarely perfect. Complex systems can have bugs, unexpected behaviors. Phenomena like déjà vu could be examples. That feeling of having experienced something before. It might be a momentary glitch in the system, a brief replay of a previous data segment, or a caching error in our perceived reality, a hiccup in the cosmic code. The Mandela Effect is another curious phenomenon. Large groups of people share false memories, remembering events that never happened, or details that are incorrect. Could these be evidence of reality being edited, like a software patch applied to the simulation, altering past events or information, leaving some residual memory traces in inhabitants? These are merely speculations, but they fit the simulation model intriguingly. What about miracles or unexplained events? Events that defy known physical laws. In a simulation, these could be interventions by the programmers, or features of the simulation we do not understand. Perhaps there are admin privileges allowing for overrides of the standard rules. This opens a vast field for thought.